Well, hi guys. Well, yesterday we took the day off. I mean, completely. Had a great afternoon hanging out here at the park. Done some swimming, done some cooking. But today is dump day. What do you call it, honey?
Which means we're not actually moving to another place.
No.
What it is this place here, the only thing that they don't have is sewage. So we actually have to go to a dump station to get rid of our unmentionables.
Yes.
And so basically what we have done is we have pulled everything away from the camper.
We did laundry today too. Today's been kind of like a cleaning day.
Yeah. And
So-
we just kind of hooked it up just enough that we're gonna go down there, dump it out,
See?
bring it right back here and put it right back in the same spot.
So, let's ride. Take a look at that. That hookup over there. Wow. Oh. Moving the house. Moving the house. It's not fun. But, gotta be done. But I can say that this camper, with the way we've been running it, we've been taking showers up there, and we've used the restroom here. We've done our dishes and washed our hands as much as possible. With all of that, my tanks are still technically not full, but I don't like to let them get that full. And then, your black tank kind of gets a little after a little while. So I'm ready to refresh. So that's what's the plan. So stick around. Never had to unhook and leave our campground because there wasn't a hose. So
that's the hole.
We are going to document it because we've never done it. Quite strange, to be honest. And there's the infamous
Stinky poo.
stinky poo.
Stinky poo.
So,
Get our Legos set together.
and Mr. Daniel, man, he's living that camping life right now. I love it. We would go to do laundry today. It was super funny. We keep it real with you guys. We go to do laundry today, and he goes, I don't think I've ever in 30 years seen this many pairs of shorts.
Not my clothes.
I thought it was hilarious. Because he hasn't not worked since he was like 15. Well, that's an interesting contraption.
Yeah, the way that they had that does not help that it doesn't screw into it. So that way you can avoid mishaps of explosions.
Yeah, we don't want no explosions.
Yeah, we've seen the movie.
Mm-hmm. Oh!
And this is why they have that hose.
Mm-hmm.
For cleaning up after your mess when you get done. Alright. And of course you want to let out the black tank first. So that way any of the gray water that you have in there, you can use that soapy, clean water to clean out your hose.
Yeah.
And get all that out. We got it cranked up now.
She's a flowing. I knew it was getting pretty full, but
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.
I know we weren't quite full. But when it starts to do the It's probably time.
For cleaning out your black tank is on the side of your camper. You have your city water, and then here you have what I call the sprinkler. This is the little thing inside the black tank that sprays all like this. It looks like one of those little water toys that kids play with that just goes all over the place. You can actually hear it sometimes. And basically what you do is you hook your hose to it, and when you get through cleaning out everything that you want to clean out of your camper, out of your black tank, then you cut this thing on, and it just goes to town in there and does this little thing, just a little more, you know, helps you out with some of your pyramids and stuff like that, because that's always a good thing. All right,
You ready to let her rip?
Black tank is empty, so now we're gonna let her rip.
Oh, it has some power too.
Yeah, she does. All right, now we done run our sprinkler, so now we're gonna cut off the water that goes to the sprinkler.
Off.
And then we're gonna wait, let it go ahead, and the last bit of that come on out of the black tank, and then we'll go to the next step.
Which, if you haven't already seen it, we do have a video on this in our library. So, but you know, we're doing it again because we're here.
So after you get done making sure, you know, let it just, the rest of that out of the black tank come, go ahead and close off the black tank, come over here to your gray tank, and go ahead and open that one up. Now you see it starts up again. So we're using that to really flush it out.
Mm-hmm.
Flushing pretty good right now.
And mainly that's just washing hands and
Showers.
Well, we didn't take any showers in here.
Well, for those that take showers.
We took them in the house, in the bathhouse. So that was an experience. But that's something else we'll talk about later. But anyway, all that's in this right now is hand washing and dishes. Dish soap.
That's it. All right, so now that we're done with the gray tank, emptying that out, I've already unhooked the line that went to the poo sprinklers, and now we're going to go ahead and unhook this, put this back on, run out your hose, that way you don't have anything in there. That up. Make sure to close that back off so you're not getting unwanted water in there. Put this up. Then make sure to spray down anything that you got dirty.
Definitely a courtesy.
Yeah, nobody else wants to mess with your stuff. So there's that. Get done. Wrap everything back up like it was when you got it, and then that's it.
Now we get to go hook her back up
But that's all, folks.
and enjoy the rest of our day.
Yes, we got empty tanks and full bellies.
Yes. Very.
All right. See y'all on the flip.
What do you think? How long is it going to take for Mr. Daniel to get that blown up?
Put that in the comments.
Holy cow. He decided he wanted another float. I was doing some work on the computer you know, posting that Rewatch Wednesday, make sure you're staying tuned. So that way you know what's going on with our channel.
And guess what? We are about to hit the lake here in a little bit after Dad finally decides to blow up his pool toy. We're gonna go and enjoy the lake.
It's coming along.
I think he's going out. He's going out.
I gave him a pump. He didn't like it. So,
It didn't fit the hole.
guess what? Now he has to blow it.
It didn't fit the hole.
So, don't forget about Rewatch Wednesday. Make sure you're on Cardan Travels on Facebook, because I post that and then it goes to all the different channels. So that way, you know, if you missed something, maybe you might want to rewatch or check out some bloopers. You never know what I'm gonna post on Rewatch Wednesday. So here we go. Stay tuned. We'll see. You have your briefcase.
This thing is, you pull it to see that way you can pull somebody, but then you just do this and you got your briefcase to bring it on down.
Oh, he's gone. He said he's going to the lake. Bye, Felicia.
Now, not me.